How to create a before and after comparison animation effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to create a before and after comparison effect. First, hold down the Alt key and drag your video to above track to create a duplicate from it. Then go to Effects panel and search for 50, drag and drop cinespace 50 effect into your top video so your top video looks different from the original video. Now search for crop effect and drag it also into your top video. With your top video selected, go to Effect Controls. Place the playhead at the start, then go to Crop Effect and click on Stopwatch next to Left Property to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and left to 100 to create the second keyframe. Now our effect is completed. But if you want to increase its speed, just drag the second keyframe closer to the first one. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.